Anything you can do to help your users fill out accurate forms is a good thing. Sometimes we ask users for generic input fields with a text field, and we get a lot of variations in the responses we get back. Say, for example, that we're asking users to fill out a county. If I ask for the information in a generic text field, I may get different variations on the different counties. For example, they might type something like orange, and some people will type it uppercase, some people will type it lowercase, and some people might even misspell it. Now, I don't want to use a select field here because although you're in a certain geographic area, some people might come from all over the state. By using a data list, you can provide suggestions to your users. The way you do it is by using a list attribute in your input field. Then you create a data list with predetermined responses. When the users click on the field, they will see the data list and pick from one of the predetermined values. So here's the code for how that would work. You create a regular input field, and then you add a list attribute with a value of something like counties here. And then you create a data list. This looks a lot like a select field, but it has a data list tag instead of select tag. You add an ID of whatever you used up here as the list, and that ties these two things together. Then you can put in option fields with a number of values. I'm going to save this and come back here. I'll refresh the page. And when I click here, notice that it gives me a list of values to choose from. Also, if I start typing some of these, it's going to narrow down the list to only those values. So now I can pick it with my mouse pointer or just hit the down arrow and hit enter. This is another one of those features that doesn't take a lot of time to implement and gives your site a lot of polish. Adding these attributes and additional tags has some additional benefits to how you access things through scripts. So your hard work here will definitely have additional benefits.